Yes, I'm Mr. Brundage. I'm from Armatherm Foundation, and we're going to test some foam today for its released toxic substances. We have a problem with foam releasing cyanide and polyurethane and gases, nitrates and hydrogen cyanide from it. So what we want to try to do is make foam less toxic, so that memory foam mattresses or the different substances or foam and rubber MTBEs, so that can be controlled with an additive that just washed right in. So we'll go over here and we'll test this now. Now obviously we've tested this before, so we're going to test this, and we're going to have one of the assistants here. He's going to smell this. Now remember that foam releases cyanide. Now cyanide gas is extremely dangerous. It's the same substance that was released at the Great White Fire, which killed those 230 people, because the gases were hydrogen cyanide given off. So this is no different than any other foam. Most of them are blown with cyanide or with blowing substances like that. So we're going to heat this scalpel up, and we're going to do a smoldering test on it. Only we're going to speed it up because we're going to do it with a really fast, hot, glowing object. The object is to do a test that releases gases. Now, I want one of you fellows to come down here and just take a real short swift of that and tell me what you think. Is that toxic?
Wow, yeah.
Really toxic.
Wow.
So, now, we're going to test the next one. Now, this piece has been treated, and it's also been tested, but we're going to test it for off-gassing of cyanates, isoethers, or gases of cyanide. So the engineers throughout the countries might want to pay attention to this, because this is a solution for self-sequestering materials. All of my materials that we make here at Armatherm Foundation, they're all self-sequestering and lower VOCs, no matter whether it's the paint, the additives, the coatings, the primers, or the litho primers for paper, or substances like important relics and things like that. They're all self-sequestering, but all extremely good fire retardant resisting material. All right, now let's get our test subject over here. Now, what do you think about that?
Wow.
Big difference?
Big difference. Yeah.
Big difference. So there is fumes and there's toxins, but
I don't feel the discomfort.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Discomfort. Yeah.
So that has been treated once. It's been soaked and rinsed in and let to dry. It won't come out. That's the end of it. It is biodegradable, non-toxic, recyclable, edible, and environmentally safe coating that goes in pretty much all foams that are elastomeric. So the EU, who's having a problem shipping foams, what they need to use is this substance in it so they could solve that problem, but they might also use it on paper or portraits or lithographs or important relics. So this coating is a lithographic type coating, but however, it works very stabilized in a foam substance. I don't think that there's any other substance in the world that's biodegradable, non-toxic, recyclable, edible, and environmentally safe that they could use in a foam that would do a better job.